Ever feel like you're staring at ruins? Maybe it's a project that failed, a career that stalled, or just the overwhelming feeling that things are broken. It's a feeling as old as time. Thousands of years ago, a man named Nehemiah stood before the wrecked walls of Jerusalem. The city was a mess, its gates burned, its people discouraged. It looked hopeless. But Nehemiah didn't just hope for the best. He came with a plan, a system. He surveyed the damage, he organized the people, and he assigned specific sections of the wall to different families. He created a system for rebuilding. This wasn't about wishful thinking. It was about practical, organized action. Everyone had a role, a purpose. They weren't just laying bricks. They were rebuilding their future, piece by piece. And here is the most incredible part. They built with a tool in one hand and a weapon in the other. They faced constant threats and opposition, building during a downturn, a crisis. They didn't wait for the perfect, peaceful moment to start. They built amidst the chaos because they knew the cost of waiting was far greater than the risk of building. Now, let's fast forward to today. We're standing at our own version of ruined walls. Outdated industries, inefficient processes, global challenges. But like Nehemiah, we have new tools. Think about robotics in construction. We're seeing robots that can lay bricks, 3D print entire houses, and assemble structures with a speed and precision we've never seen before. These aren't just tools, they're part of a new system. And then there's AI, our modern-day surveyor. It can analyze vast amounts of data to design smarter cities, optimize supply chains, and predict problems before they even happen. It helps us plan the reconstruction not just for now, but for a resilient future. We're moving from just building faster to building smarter. Imagine creating sustainable, self-sufficient settlements in a fraction of the time it used to take, turning desolate areas into thriving communities. The lesson from Nehemiah is more relevant than ever. Hope is essential, but it's a system that turns hope into reality. And the best time to build, it's often during a downturn. When everyone else is retreating, that's the moment to innovate. That's when you lay the foundation for what comes next. Like the builders of Jerusalem, we have to build with a sense of urgency and purpose, even when things are tough. So, what ruins are you facing? What systems can you create? The tools are here: robotics, AI, incredible new technologies. It's time to stop just staring at the rubble. It's time to pick up our tools, create our systems, and start building the future, right here, right now, even amidst the chaos. The greatest opportunities are often found in the biggest challenges. Thanks for watching. If this idea resonates with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how we can build a better future together. See you in the next one.